Now, let's show you how to install this close tray quickly. Two top connecting blocks, a bottom link, two side free pillars, 4 foot stands, pass. Now, start the installation. First, install the wheels on the 4 legs. Then, take out a side free pillar. Put in the middle. Take out a long screw. Align screw holes. Screw it on. The other side free is the same. Then, fasten the top connecting block to the side free. And another side free close. Then, connect the bottom connecting block. Glue. Fit the screws. Finally, tighten all the screws. In this way, we will complete the installation of the closed ray. We can also install another link. Put the adjustable connecting block on. Height can be adjusted at will. Fit at the height line. Then become a two-lock close rail. We can hand close on the side like this.